Hey viewers, I just started working on this bike and I think I noticed an issue with the derailleur. Now I looked at the derailleur cage here. It looks like it's kind of angled in a little bit and it's also kind of angled this way a little bit, but I don't think the issue is the derailleur itself. I think it's the hanger. So now if you look at the hanger here, it looks like the bottom part is bent in a little bit. It's not in a straight line. And also if you look at the part of the derailleur here where it attaches to the hanger, this seems to be an angled in relative to the cogs. It should be in the same plane, but it looks like it's angled in. So I'm pretty sure it's the hanger that's bent. Now it's a replaceable hanger. If it was seriously bent, I'd go ahead and just replace it, but it looks like it's just a little bit bent. So I think I can straighten it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to straighten this hanger. I'm gonna show you the process of doing that. So now I'm going to need to remove the derailleur from the hanger. So just get it in here with a hex wrench. On this one it's 5mm. And get that off. So now to straighten the derailleur hanger, I'm going to be using this tool here. It's a Park Tool DAG 2.2 Derailleur Hanger Alignment Gauge. It's an awesome tool. I've got a ton of use out of it, but it's kind of pricey. So probably most people don't want to spend the kind of money on this kind of tool. So I do have a video where I make a cheaper version of this tool, and I'll post that in the description. But if you can use the actual thing, it's really nice. So now to use this tool, I'm going to screw this in where the derailleur normally screws onto the hanger. Be careful not to cross thread it. There we go. So now what we want is this little feeler gauge here to be the same distance from the rim all the way around. And as you can see here, it's real close to the rim down there, but it's still far away from the rim up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of bend it in a little bit, like this, because that will bend this out. And so I'll kind of get a preliminary check there. That looks much closer. So now as I start getting, close, what I want to do is I want to pick one point on the rim, in this case where the valve stem is, and I'm going to do the checks all the way around on the part of the rim where the valve stem is. That way if the wheel is out of true, which this one is really out of true, it doesn't matter because I'm going to be using the same place on the rim all the way around. So what I'm going to do is move this little feeler gauge in to where it kind of just is real close to the rim. It's a few millimeters away. And so then I'm going to move this down here, and I can actually slide this up here, and it's closer down there. So I still want to kind of bend this out a little bit from down here. And so that's pretty close. Let me bring this back up here. And that's actually really close. It's real close to the rim there, and it's real close to the rim down there. So I think that's about it for this way, but I also want to check at other points of the rim as well to make sure that the hanger is not bent this way or that way. So what I'll do is I'll bring this over here and bring that, and it's a few millimeters away there. And let me see, bring this around down here. And I can bend this out just a little bit, just a touch. It's pretty close. And that's pretty close there. And then go back over here, check. That's about right. Double check up and down. That's pretty close. And I want to bring this out just a little bit. Good. Try back up here again. And that looks pretty good. Now you're not going to get it absolutely perfect. You just want to get it as close as you can, and that should be generally good enough. I'll go ahead and pull this tool off again. But I think the hanger now is pretty straight. It looks much straighter there. So now I can remount the derailleur to the hanger to screw it back on. And there were little washers between the derailleur and the hanger. I don't know why, but I'm not reinstalling those. They may have been using those to help maybe fix the problem with the bent hanger. I don't know, but I didn't reinstall those. Well, everything is looking way better than it did before. The cage is in line with the chain. The derailleur looks like it's on the same plane as the cogs on the cassette. If you have a bent derailleur hanger and your derailleur is out of alignment, it can really mess up your shifting. So straightening a bent derailleur hanger could really make improvements on your shifting. But anyway, so now that I have that done, I can go on and work on all the rest of the stuff that this bike needs, which is quite a bit. But anyway, that is how to straighten a bent derailleur hanger. Hopefully you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.